we will study abscisic acid, that is ABA. ABA or abscisic acid is a natural growth inhibiting hormone. Comes and adequate from 1961 to 1965. Observe that the shading of cotton balls was due to a chemical substance called abscission 1 and abscission 2. Then, wearing in 1963 isolated a substance from buds of acer, that is sycamore maple, that can induce bud dormancy and named it dorming. These two identical chemical substances were then given common name abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is synthesized in leaves, roots, fruits, seeds, etc. Chemically, abscisic acid is a 15-carbon sesquiterpenoid and is synthesized from malonic acid. Next, we will study physiological effects and applications of ABA. Abscisic acid promotes abscission of leaves and induces dormancy in many plants. That is, ABA is a natural growth inhibiting hormone which plays an important role in abscission and dormancy. Next, ABA controls dormancy in buds and seeds by inhibiting growth processes. That is, in buds and seeds, ABA inhibits growth processes and controls dormancy. Next, abscisic acid accelerates the senescence of leaves, flowers and fruits. That is, ABA promotes senescence in plant organs by causing loss of chlorophyll and decreasing the rate of photosynthesis. Next, ABA inhibits and delays cell division and cell elongation and suppresses cambium activity. That is, application of abscisic acid inhibits and delays cell division and cell elongation process and also suppresses cambium activity by inhibiting the process of mitosis in vascular cambium. Next, ABA prevents loss of water due to transpiration and acts as anti-transpirant. Here, transpiration is a process in which there occurs loss of water in the form of water vapors from the aerial parts of the plants. And anti-transpirant is a substance which opposes transpiration. Now, how ABA acts as anti-transpirant? Let us see. It is found that during drought or adverse environmental conditions, abscisic acid is formed in leaves which causes efflux of potassium ions from the guard cells, because of which there occurs the closure of stomata to reduce the rate of transpiration, and thus ABA acts as anti-transpirant. Next, ABA acts as stress hormone. As we know that ABA is produced during drought and unfavorable climatic conditions, it helps the seeds to withstand the water stress conditions and thus acts as stress hormone. Next, ABA inhibits flowering in long day plants but induces flowering in short day plants. That is, in long day plants which flower during summer, there does not occur flowering due to ABA, but in short day plants which flower during winter and late summer, there occurs flowering due to ABA. Next, we will study the bioassays for growth inhibitors. First bioassay for ethylene is triple P test. Second, abscisic acid inhibition of alpha amylase test. Next, let us study some important terms, definitions, or the full forms that we have come across in the topic growth hormones. First, growth hormone. The internal factors that influence growth are called growth hormones or growth regulators as they inhibit, promote, or modify the growth. Next, growth promoters. The growth regulators that promote growth are called growth promoters. Growth inhibitors. The growth regulators that inhibit growth are called growth inhibitors. Plant hormones are organic substances produced naturally in higher plants affecting growth or other physiological functions at a site remote from its place of production and active in very minute amount. Polar transport or basipetal transport, that is the transport which takes place from morphogenic apex to the base of the stem. Next, IAA, indole 3-acetic acid. IBA, indole butyric acid. NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Apical dominance. Apical dominance is a phenomena which takes place in higher plants in which the growing apical bud inhibits the growth of lateral bud. Callus. The term callus refers to tissue arising from disorganized proliferation of cells from the segment of plant organs. Next, rooting. The process of root development in plants. Shooting. The process of shoot development in plants. Non-polar transport. The transport of hormones which takes place in all directions. Bolting. The process of elongation of internodes is called bolting. Long day plants. The plants that flower during summer are called long day plants. Short day plants. The plants that flower during winter or late summers are called short day plants. Vernalization. It is a chilling treatment given to the germinating seeds or seedlings to flower early in the plants. Senescence, the aging process. Abscission, the premature fall of leaves. Epinasty, the drooping of leaves, flowers is called epinasty. Degraining effect. It is a process in which there occurs decomposition of chlorophyll, because of which there occurs change in the color of the fruit peel in ripened fruits. Transpiration. It is a process in which there occurs water loss in the form of water vapors from the aerial parts of the plants. Anti-transpirant, the substance or the hormone which opposes the transpiration process is called anti-transpirant. Parthenocarpy is a process in which fruit development takes place without fertilization, that is, seedless roots are formed. Differentiation. Differentiation is a process in which there is permanent change in the structure and function of cells leading to maturation is seen. With this, we end with topic growth hormones.